I just got the Samsung T650 soundbar from Walmart. This has 3D surround sound. So let's open it up. It's a 3.1 surround bar. Let's slide it out of the box here. This is a 340 watt soundbar. Okay, inside the box here, we have a Samsung remote for the soundbar. It's got a volume button, a woofer button, circular control, play button. It's got Bluetooth pairing, mute, sound mode, settings, menu, and power. Comes with a pair of AA batteries. Alright, there's the user manual for the HW-T650. Alright, we have the power cord there. Looks like another power cord. Okay, inside this bag we have the optical audio cable. Okay. Looks like we have got two brackets here. Pair of bolts in the bag. With a measuring stick to center the soundbar. Alright, here we have the power supply for the power cord. So here's all the items that came out of that bag. Alright, let's open up what I believe to be the subwoofer. Styrofoam off of that. Get them out of the styrofoam. Alright, let's take the subwoofer out of the bag. Alright, now we got the subwoofer out of the bag. It's pretty large, about 12 inches across, about 14 inches high, and it's about 8 inches deep. There's the front of the subwoofer, just says Samsung. There's the back, it's just plain. The top is just plain. On the back you have your power input and a button to connect. And then on the bottom you got 4 feet. Just take one of the power cables and plug it into the bottom of the subwoofer. Alright, that's plugged in. Alright, so let's open up the soundbar part of it. Let's cut open this box here. So they have a little logo here to tell you to have it laying down. So when you're looking down, you see the Samsung logo. You just slide the soundbar out of there. And there's the styrofoam from the other side behind it. Nothing else in the box. It also has a game mode. Here's the soundbar and the Samsung logo on top, like it says in the instructions. In the middle here, we got 4 buttons. So it looks like power, volume down, volume up, and connect. The side of it's just blank. Same with the other side. And on the front of it, we got the speaker. On the back of it, we got some information about the soundbar. And then 2 places to plug things in. So on this side, we got 2 HDMIs. One's an ARC HDMI, and then your power input. On the other side, you have a 5-volt USB and a digital or optical audio cable input. And then, of course, you have some rubber feet on both sides. All right, let's set it up. All right, first up, let's put in the power cable. Okay, power cable's in. Let's plug in our power cord to our AC adapter. Next up, you could use an HDMI or the optical audio cable. Okay, I have the Samsung soundbar connected with the HDMI cord using the ARC port. Alright, I'm going to turn it off. And that's how the TV sounds with the soundbar off. Okay, now the soundbar's on.
And by the way, speaking of the Air Joe, that is also a great item because it's from the same company as Snow Joe and also...
It sounds alright, but we bought it to use the voice, be able to make the voices clearer in movies. And it doesn't have a ton of options, so if you go to settings, you can adjust the treble. So I adjusted the treble all the way down to -6. And then you can adjust the bass. I adjusted the bass all the way down to -6. And you can't mess with the center. So I had to just bring the bass and the treble down. And didn't seem to make a much improvement on the clarity of the voices. Also, if you go to settings, you could put in an audio delay in case your audio's coming before your picture, but if it's the other way around, then that doesn't really help you out, which seems to be a problem with like Xfinity On Demand lately. Okay. You also have your different sound modes. So that's the standard. That's surround. So we got game mode.
So you can be confident that without any chemicals at all, you're using just tap water turned into superheated steam. As you mentioned,
Okay, we got smart sound.
yeah, forget it. With the dirty rag mop, you're just spreading dirt around the floor. If you're using one of those spray mops, conversely,
DTS virtual.
and just spreading chemicals around the floor. This is an amazing way to use steam as water turning into do everything.
So I tried it with the optical audio cable, and you can also put an HDMI in,
And cleaning even on a wood floor.
and then your other HDMI to your TV. Right now I just have the ARC from the TV to get the sound from the TV.
Using the ARC allows you to use your regular remote for the soundbar. Otherwise, if you're connected with the optical audio cable, then you have to use the remote for the soundbar.
Welcome to the North Pole.
Santa!
Hey, Pierce, how did you get here? You and Jack are supposed to be on vacation with your family. My idea, Dr. Samson. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Okay, that's the smart sound. Or that's DTS virtual surround sound. That's
They're moving in herds.
That's DTS virtual sound.
They do move in herds. How'd you do this? I'll show you.
I set up the Samsung soundbar and I was very disappointed by the lack of control over the soundbar. In particular, you have your preset modes, but there is no way to just enhance the center so you could hear the voices better. And that was an important part for me for getting a soundbar, was to hear the voices better instead of background noise. The subwoofer is wireless and very powerful, so if you just want a loud subwoofer, then this is the soundbar for you. But if that's not the case, the preset settings for this soundbar do not get the job done to properly separate voices and background sound. I also found the sound muddier than my TV sound. Overall, great build quality, but poor execution on the features that you actually need. I believe the Samsung soundbar and the Vizio V Series 5.1 soundbar were both around $150, and the Vizio gives you full control over a bunch of different settings. You can check out my unboxing and review of the Vizio soundbar in the link below. Let me know what you thought about this soundbar, and if you tried the Vizio soundbar as well. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.